Ever wondered how your muscles grow and what happens inside the body during this process? Welcome to the fascinating world of muscle hypertrophy, the physiological process behind muscle growth. This complex interplay of cellular and molecular events is of great significance to fitness enthusiasts, athletes, or anyone embarking on a journey to enhance their physical strength and appearance. In the next few minutes, we will unravel the complex process of muscle growth, breaking it down into simplified, understandable terms. Did you know that your muscles are composed of individual fibers that enlarge during the process of hypertrophy? Yes, this is the cellular basis of hypertrophy. Each muscle in your body is made up of individual muscle fibers, and when you engage in resistance training, these fibers respond to the demand by growing larger. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all muscle fibers are the same. We have primarily two types, type 1 or slow twitch fibers and type 2 or fast twitch fibers. Now, type 1 fibers are more about endurance. They're the marathon runners of your muscles. Type 2 fibers, on the other hand, are your sprinters. They're all about power and speed. And when it comes to hypertrophy or muscle growth, it's these type 2 fibers that hold the greatest potential. So when you lift heavy weights, it's your type 2 muscle fibers that are primarily doing the heavy lifting. The secret to muscle growth lies in mechanical tension, satellite cells, and protein synthesis. Let's break it down. When you're lifting weights, the muscles are subjected to mechanical tension. This tension sends a signal to your cells, kicking off a sequence of events that leads to muscle growth. At the heart of this process is the mTOR pathway, a cellular signaling route that promotes protein synthesis. Think of it like the foreman at a construction site overseeing the building process to ensure everything goes according to plan. Now, let's talk about satellite cells. These are like the unsung heroes of muscle repair and growth. After a heavy workout, these cells spring into action, donating additional nuclei to muscle fibers. This process aids in the synthesis of new proteins, supporting overall muscle hypertrophy. Lastly, we have protein synthesis, the process by which your body builds proteins. When it comes to muscle growth, we're particularly interested in myofibrillar hypertrophy. This involves the increase in the size and number of myofibrils within muscle fibers, resulting in stronger and more efficient muscle contractions. So, the next time you're pushing through that last rep, remember what's happening on a cellular level. Your muscles are not just growing. They're responding to the mechanical tension, activating satellite cells and synthesizing proteins to become stronger. Remember, every time you hit the weights, you're not just building muscle, you're activating a complex cellular machinery designed for growth and repair. While resistance training is crucial, nutrition and hormones also play an essential role in muscle hypertrophy. Let's delve into these aspects. Nutrition is the fuel of muscle growth. A protein-rich diet provides the necessary amino acids for protein synthesis. Imagine your muscles as a wall and amino acids as the bricks. You need these bricks to build and repair that wall. Besides, a caloric surplus where energy intake exceeds expenditure creates an anabolic or building up environment. This surplus provides the extra energy your muscles need to grow. Now let's talk about hormones. Anabolic hormones, particularly testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin-like growth factor, or IGF-1, are the construction managers of our muscle building project. These hormones enhance protein synthesis, promote the differentiation of satellite cells, and contribute to the overall growth and repair of muscle tissues. So they ensure that the bricks are put in the right place and at the right time. Finally, we come to the principle of progressive overload. Progressive overload is like the blueprint of our construction project. It involves gradually increasing the resistance or workload during training, which continuously challenges your muscles. This consistent challenge triggers a cycle of muscle breakdown, repair, and adaptation, leading to sustained hypertrophy over time. So the next time you plan your workout, keep in mind the importance of a balanced diet, the role of your hormones, and the need for progressive overload to maximize muscle growth. The science of muscle hypertrophy is indeed fascinating, revealing the intricate processes that govern the growth and adaptation of our muscles. From the cellular level, where individual muscle fibers enlarge, to the hormonal influences that enhance protein synthesis and muscle repair. Coupled with the essential role of proper nutrition and the principle of progressive overload, these mechanisms collectively contribute to muscle hypertrophy. With this knowledge, you are now better equipped to understand and optimize your muscle growth journey. Remember, every rep counts.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.